Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Hyundai Accent, stock number 6188. This ran from the 10th 2013 to the 12th 2019. It has a G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,